seashells by the seashore.
Pepsi. Oh, it's even worse. It's not fun. What the fuck? Fuck you. Oh, my throat is sticking hurting. I sound like a fruit. Dude, stop it.
Do your game impression.
Why is it? What's up? Are you happy? Why do you just hit me too? What? It's so funny. Good. Tastes like shit. I need a cigarette. It's not fun. I need a cigarette. Why is the camera in front of my face? You guys are so wrong. For real. Get the fucking camera out of my face.
Say super bad really sucks.
Super bad really sucks. This gun doesn't taste like anymore. Tastes like shit.
Tastes like what?
Shit! It's not funny. Will you stop laughing at me? You're supposed to be on my side, okay? Stop.
Did you say fuck or sex?
I said stop.
It's going on YouTube.
It's not going on YouTube.
Oh, hell yeah.
I got an ISD in my hand.
Hey, Johnny.
Videotaping me.
This week on Tommy Bird, Tommy's in the hospital. It's fucking contagious.
It's my tongue. My fucking throat. My fucking throat.
We're in the hospital.
Yes or no?
Thomas had a cocktail.
Tommy, do you think you could deep throat a
Tommy, Pepsi.
Sausage. Funny.
Hey, honeycomb.
Fuck. Fuck. I miss fuck. No, I miss the other word.
Cock.
That was fuck. It's so funny.
Hey, I said honeycomb though.
I feel down my throat. It just keeps going slowly.
Honeycomb.
I saw funny song. It's not.
Twinkie.
Twinkie fun.
Manicotti.
Fuck.
Manicotti, Pepsi.
Sing a symphony. I just stuck my gum on the floor.
Now you dropped it on my fucking shoe.
Yeah, I'm feeling awesome.
Twinkie.
Gum on
Twinkie
my
for
fucking shoe.
Twinkie for. I can say this right. Twinkie.
Pepsi.
This is your shit.
Tommy, finish this sentence. You are Pepsi.
You are Pepsi. Pepsi. Pepsi.
Twinkie.
Twinkie for you.
Honeycomb.
Why is it so freaking numb in my mouth?
Because of the cocktail.
I feel like a fucking fairy.
Honeycomb.
I found honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
I want a funny phone.
Honeycomb.
I want a funny phone.
Manicotti.
Fuck. How's my tongue? Pussy.
They're gonna have to admit me. I'm gonna die
Let's
laughing.
get hurt.
Twinkie. Honeycomb. Pepsi. Manicotti.
Okay, sing it for. Have a funny phone. Have a puppy.
Whoa! Slow down there, Tommy Bird. Slow down.
Fuck it. Well, this is not going on YouTube.
Oh, yes,
It's not going on
Oh,
YouTube.
yes,
It's gonna be the next
It's
episode.
not going on YouTube.
This is the first.
I am literally in a fetal hospital. I have something in my arm, and it's really supposed to the nurse. I want something else to drink.
You don't want anything to drink. You will puke it up.
Oh.
My
Trust me.
stomach feels weird.
It's supposed to.
My stomach feels stiff. Why are you flipping laughing at me?
Honeycomb.
Funny phone.
Twinkie.
Twinkie bird.
Manicotti.
Bird exclusive.
Manicotti. Pussy.
Fucking sucks.
Pepsi.
Pussy.
Say Sally. Sally.
When is this gonna wear off? For real? What?
Never.
Stop laughing. When is this gonna wear off?
Never.
2 hours.
told you stuff together.
You're gonna talk like this for 2 days.
I'm not gonna fucking do this.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
Another one asked for your house. No.
This is fucking stupid.
What'd you say?
This is fucking stupid.
One more time?
Stupid. Listen to me. This is fucking stupid. Nurse!
Tommy, what do you want?
My nipples.
What do you want when you get out of here, Tommy?
That's not what I want.
Tommy, what do you want when you get out of here?
My nipples.
Give me the camera.
This is her.
Fucking dying.
Well, if I can't die, you can die either, okay? Now that was a joke. That was for real. It's not my nipples. My nipples hurt. What the hell? My nipples hurt.
Cut it off.
This flipping hurt?
Oh, no, what?
You can only take up to 7.
That's alright, you can do 2 episodes if you do.
My nipples.
You can do up to 3 different sections of it.
Don't focus on the other thing.
Tommy, sections.
Sections. I
Say suffering succotash.
gotta say it all. My tongue's so numb. I'm a baby.
Thomas, say
What
suffering
is this
succotash.
Is that really a cocktail?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's gone. Say suffering succotash.
What is that supposed to say?
Say it one more time.
I'm not fucking you no more.
Say it one more time.
I'm not fucking you no more. That's okay. See, bitch. That's fucking. And then those. My nipples. They really hurt. That's calm. It's so fucking wrong. It's fucking rude. And when you left in it.
Tommy,
You!
say, that's all, folks.
That's all, folks.